What's up, guys? Today I got something a little bit different for you. It's a pretty cool new product that I run across, and it's going to help you guys that work out in the field, especially if you work off a service truck or maybe a farmer or anybody that does outdoor activities and you need some water to clean it with. So come take a look at this video because it's pretty doggone cool. All right, guys, I found this pretty cool product. It's called RinseKit, and when I seen it, I thought, hey, I need this. You know, it'd be great for the service truck. It'd be great for working around the house, you know, like if you're down at the barn or somewhere like that and you just need to rinse off with. And the product is called RinseKit. This is the RinseKit pod. You may have seen this on Shark Tank. It's a pretty cool little product. It just allows you to have portable water pretty much anywhere you go without the need for pumping or batteries or whatever. And the way this thing works, it's got a bladder container inside it, and when you fill it up with your water hose, it raises the water and also pressurizes it. It takes about 30 seconds and it gives you about 4 minutes worth of spray, holds 1.75 gallons of water. So let's take a look at the product, and here's what it looks like. This is the actual pod itself. And the way it works, when you get it, this will be connected to your hose, but I'm gonna show you how it fills up. I've already got this one pre-filled. You just screw this on your water hose or sink or whatever if you've got a threaded connection, and you turn your valve to the off position, which will be horizontal. Pull the quick connect back and it's connected. Turn your water on, open the valve, and it pressurizes inside the pod. So then you hook up your water sprayer to it. You turn your valve on, and it's just like a regular water hose that you would use, you know, at your house. But no batteries, no power, no recharging, no pumping. This thing's gonna allow you to clean up out in the field or wherever you need to use to clean yourself up. I personally got this to put on our service truck, and that way we're out on the job and you get greasy and nasty, you've got a way to clean up. Or if you get some type of fluid, whether it be, you know, because we do service calls on cars and light duty stuff as well, brake fluid, transmission fluid, motor oil, diesel fuel, gasoline, grease, whatever, dirt, just anything. If you get it in your eyes, this allows you to at least be able to clean your eyes out or your face off or whatever. I think this is going to be a very valuable product that they've come up with, and I think it's an amazing item. You can get these at Sportsman's Warehouse. They're like 80 bucks if you buy them there, and they're online from RinseKit.com. They run about $100 to $110. They've got different models. They've got some that's bigger, and they've got some that you can have like a solar panel that's on them for heated water and stuff like that. This is just the basic kit because that's really all we need, is just some way to be able to clean up. But we're gonna do a quick demo of this thing. I hadn't washed my hands from working in the shop today, but we're gonna go out here and show you how this thing works and see what you guys think. So let's go take a look. All right, guys, so I don't know how this thing works. I haven't used it. I just pressurized it, and I'll also show you how to drain it. But we're gonna cut the valve on. Let's just see what kind of pressure this thing's got to start with. Holy cow, that's a lot. That thing shoots a long way. All right, so other than the obvious reasons that it's cool and you can clean it with it, the reason why I got it, in case we do have, well, the obvious reason is to clean up our hands and arms or whatever before we leave the service call or during the service call. But if you get diesel fuel on you, you can rinse yourself off, which is an extremely valuable thing. Or if you're working on a truck and something happens and you get antifreeze in your face, mouth, eyes, whatever, this thing is going to be invaluable for what we need it for. But we'll try it and see how it works with rinsing our hands. It comes with this rubber strap, and I'll explain to you in a minute how everything kind of folds up and it's nice and neat in this package. But I've got a thing of hand cleaner, so we'll see how this thing works. It's kind of an adjustment on the back, just like a garden sprayer, so you can make it harder or lighter or whatever. So You can lock it on and let it spray. Which is really, really cool to be able to do this on the side of the road. And since it sprays for 4 minutes, you don't have to really be in that big a hurry to clean your hands up or anything else that you need. And it's quite impressive because there's no pumping, no batteries, no nothing. Just do it. So I'm really impressed with this thing, how simple it is. You guys see I backed it down so it wouldn't be as forceful. But it's really impressive. Turn the pressure back up. But, I mean, you can see how handy that would be for not having any water. But the way this thing, it rolls up, everything's compact. The way it's designed around this one little deal here. And I explained to you how you fill it up, which is super simple. All of this goes around it, and this little rubber thing keeps everything nice and neat so it's not unwinding. I was explaining about the rinse kit. I didn't notice, but it's got a place when I went to package it back up or put it back up. It's got a place here on the end with the cutout for the nozzle that you screw on here to refill it. So that's pretty cool. I thought I'd include that in here, and that way you guys could see it. And when you get the kit, it comes with an Allen key along with the part that you fill it up. So this screws on the end of your hose, and you just pressurize it from your faucet. To drain this thing, you simply take your Allen key, you put in here, and you take this big plug out. In the back of the plug, it's got an O-ring, and that's what seals it. So you don't have to over-tighten it. I mean, you don't have to go gorilla on it. You just snug it up. So you could undo it, drain all the water out of it when you don't need it. But anyway, guys, I think it's a super awesome kit. I think for anybody that does any kind of outdoor work, where you're kind of going out on a job site or whatever. I mean, I could even see like a carpenter that does new build construction where they don't have water out there yet, how this could be beneficial so he could even clean up. But anybody that's working out, you know, a farm mechanic or whatever, this thing could definitely, you know, potentially save your eyesight or anything else. So it's something good to look into, guys. You can never overlook safety, and plus it's always nice to be able to clean your hands up so you can eat lunch, or you know, before you write a ticket, it always looks better than having a greasy ticket. Anyway, guys, that's my video today. Check out RinseKit. You can pretty much get them anywhere, Sportsman's Warehouse, anything like that. And I'm pretty sure they're on Amazon, or you can go to RinseKit.com and take a look at this. This one's called the Pod. I definitely feel like it's going to be an invaluable piece of equipment that we've got added to our arsenal of tools on the service truck now. I know it's definitely going to be a good safety piece of equipment to add to it. So that's my video today, guys. Like always, check the links down in the description. We've got some cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free. Don't cost you a dime. Go check these out because they are cool. You guys, see ya.